Welcome to today's class on false foods. As you know, there are mainly four types of foods: A. Simple foods, B. Aggregate foods, C. Multiple foods, and finally D. False food. In today's class, we will deal with false foods. We will go through a series of pictures from which we will try to see if we can find out what false foods are. First one. As you can see from the picture itself, you might know what it is. Try to guess. You can see there are a lot of flowers here and there, and some structures are being formed. And this picture, it is much more clear what it is. What is it? It is definitely cashew apple. And you can see the nut outside and the apple structure above it. And this is the final structure. It's fully formed. So based on this, you can tell me that let's go to the the pictures before this, and you can see that the seed is green and a structure is in here. Now all of them, right? Here, and that itself is also green, and it is almost similar to the stem itself and the branches, right? And that is exactly what is happening. These branch structures that reaches the pedicel in this case uh, is what turns into the fruit. As you can see, the changes are observed here, and finally it ripens. The ripe fruit we can eat. Okay, so this is the case in cashew apple. Another one. See, this is the flower structure and the seeds here, and this is the stalks from which it is grown, and this is the common structure which holds everything together. So what does it change into? What is it? Can you tell me? You may or may not have seen this picture. It is actually mulberry. This structure, as you can see, is actually the mulberry bush. Not the mulberry bush, but the mulberry berry. The berry itself. And it's found on the mulberry tree. So these individual structures, they are not formed from the seed itself, but or the surrounding ovary, but from other parts of the plant. Okay, so what is a false fruit? It is a fruit formed from the pedicel or thalamus, and usually the seed is exposed in usual cases, in normal cases. Now, that's it for today's class. Thank you.